Wonderful to see you both that you have presented very well. The main prominent or salient feature of your presentation was the confidence. And that was the thing that I believe that was not artificial, that was natural confidence. Okay? The presenter, the very first presenter who presented here, I was just teaching her that how to overcome your fear. Sometimes when we come before the audience, and what we do, we actually don't try to see them. We don't try to face them. We don't try to see everyone. We just neglect some of the audience and we see only through one way or one corner of the class. When you come before the audience, first of all, you must be very relaxed, not in a hurry that you are just bas aaye. No, be very comfortable, relax, see everyone, and try to give smile. Hello, how are you? Okay. Do you think that you reflect others? Your face, your smile, your expressions, your gestures reflect. Do you believe? For example, if you just see, if you are watching a movie, and in movie you are immersed in that movie, totally engaged, involved, 100% involved in that movie, and what we do, for example, now the character is weeping, and what we do, हमारे भी चेहरे पे उदासी शुरू हो गई. Okay? Sometimes we start weeping. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Because the expressions, the reflect कर रहे हैं. Do you experience? Yes. Often we experience these things. Sometimes someone is laughing. We are seeing any kind of we are watching comedy movie or any kind of piece of comedy. So अगर हम बहुत खुलखुला के ना भी हंसे तो क्या हमारा ऐसे स्माइल शुरू हो जाती है. कभी आपने गौर किया, एक बड़ी मजे की चीज है कि आप कॉटन बर्ड जो है वो कान में कर रहे हैं साफ और टेढ़े मेढ़े मुंह कर रहे हैं, और आपके जो पास बंदा बैठा वो भी आपको देख रहा है, वो भी ऐसे करता है. डिड यू हैव नोटिस इट? ऑब्वियसली यहाँ दांत में से कुछ निकाल रहा है तो पास बैठा भी वो भी टेढ़े मुंह कर रहा है. हाँ, दिस इज रिफ्लेक्शन. अगर आप रिफ्लेक्ट की मैं बात कर रहा था कि आप सामने जैसे आए हैं, आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट टुडे, तो नीचे वाले खुद ही सोना शुरू कर देंगे. आप खुद सो रहे हैं भाई. आप बस ऐसे आए जब प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए आए कि आपने जब आना है यहाँ पे तो उठा देना, जगा देना. हाउ? थ्रू योर स्किल्स, थ्रू योर